In this project, we started with a very difficult hillside lot in Silver Lake. The site could provide an exceptional view if we could find a way to build on it. The problem we faced here was a narrow and steep hillside lot going uphill and requiring a very deep cut for the garage, a very narrow buildable space, and having a very small area where the driveway could be placed. We designed very high retaining walls, as you can see by the depth of the excavations in the bedrock. We designed the building with 10-foot high retaining walls stepped up the hill to allow the house to be placed on the slope. We used poured-in-place concrete on this project for added strength in the retaining walls. We used special forms so we could form high walls and pour in one continuous pour without cold joints. We poured the walls in sequence to support the high light-gauge steel framing that would follow. We selected light-gauge steel framing for its design properties. We selected the light-gauge steel because its mold-free, bug-free, fire-resistant properties are excellent. Steel framing was an important consideration for safety and strength in this hillside area. Steel framing is also highly recycled, green building material. So for strength and environmental sensitivity, we decided that steel was the best framing material. This light gauge steel framing was delivered to the job site fully panelized and ready to use, and was very fast to assemble. This allowed us to frame very quickly on site. Using panelized framing allows us to frame and sheet the floors quickly using the ready-made components. This process of panelization allows us to proceed to the point of framing upper floors without delay. Bringing the wall panels to the job site and framing with ready-made components knocks a lot of time off the construction calendar. The framing goes together quickly and without a lot of skilled labor being needed for the framing. There's a big labor saving cost in using factory-built wall panels and roof truss assemblies. For this project, Alfred Design was asked to do a very difficult thing. We were asked to design a 3-story house on a very narrow and steep hillside in Silver Lake, California, near Echo Park. As you can see, this very unique project has presented us with some very difficult design, engineering, and construction problems. We believe that the future of green construction is light-gauge steel framing and an overall reduction in the use of wood and other biologically degradable materials. The special features that resulted from the good design work include a dynamite view from all parts of the building and on all floors. We designed this building with full balconies all the way around on all of the upper floors. This brings the outdoors right to the living space and provides a large area for relaxing in the comfortable California climate.